Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin, guys. In this video I'm talking about XRP latest last 24 hours price update, and I'm going to do a technical analysis of tomorrow. What will be the changes of XRP tomorrow? Let's start the video. Let's go ahead. But please, if you're new on my channel, click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos, guys. The right now price of XRP in the market is about 0.989855 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XRP. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the XRP, so the changes of XRP are completely going in the loss. Very barely the price of XRP becomes decrease, becomes low. Let me show you the price chart of XRP. You can see here, guys, that is last 1 day price chart of XRP, and the changes of XRP is negative 7.89%. In the last 24 hours, guys, if we do a technical analysis, so now you can see here there is a support line and there is a resistance line going straight. And now you can see here from here the price dumps, and again you can see the price start jumping in the latest situation. Now in the right now situation, XRP is in the pumping mode, but no one can understand because you can see the price chart is in the pumping mode, but the change is still negative, guys, because in a previous time the XRP price very badly decreased, guys. So now I think it is opportunity with all of you to invest in XRP, and absolutely after 1 month, after 2 months, after 4 months, the price of XRP will be becomes high, and absolutely if the price becomes high, so you will get a huge profit, guys. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about XRP? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.